Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Suraj. In this video I'm going to test DJI Mic 2, connecting it with DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro along with Insta360 X5. So I've bought this Insta360 X5 very recently, and of course I've used DJI Mic 2 with DJI Action 5 Pro, and the main motive was to compare the audio quality between both these cameras, how the sound would turn out to be. So I'll take a quick spin just to see how DJI Mic 2 sounds like without the noise reduction, and right now it is connected with DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So let's see how it sounds like. It's quite windy today, and there are some vehicles around. So I think so that the quality should be fine because the mic is inside my helmet, and not much of difference I can see. So you guys can judge by yourself, and you can let me know in the comment box which one do you prefer the more. Okay, so right now I've changed the microphone setting and I have turned on the noise cancellation. So right now the audio should be much more cleaner than that, and there will be very less noise, or I would rather say that there will be no noise at all. Even the exhaust note that you were hearing before, probably now it will be much lesser than that. So what you heard right now is the comparison between no noise cancellation and noise cancellation when DJI Mic is connected with the DJI Osmo Action Pro. So now I will connect the same mic with Insta360, and I will speak the same way how I'm speaking right now, and let's see how the audio quality turns out to be. So yeah, the next footage that you're going to see is from Insta360. Okay, so currently I've connected my DJI Mic 2 with Insta360 X5, and this is how the quality of sound when I'm at idle and I'm not riding. Another thing to notice that this doesn't have an option to reduce noise or noise isolation like that. So there is only one setting, you just have to connect it. But yeah, you do have an option to control the gain. So right now this is at the lowest decibel, that is -9. I can see that the voice is peaking a bit, but yeah, let's ride and see. I'm going to rev the bike a little hard so that we'll get to know how much of my voice along with how much of the bike's exhaust is being captured. And like I said, it's a bit windy today, so here we go. So that was it for the video, guys. It was a very quick comparison of DJI Mic 2, connecting it with DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and Insta360 X5. You yourself can judge how the quality is between these two. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please also do share it with your loved ones so that all the travelers and all the motovloggers out there should get benefited by this. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.